Hey everybody, this is new. I've never tried this before. All right, so you're working on compound probability where you have two different things that you're doing, or maybe more, three things, and you have to multiply between the two to find the total number of outcomes. So you pick a marble and roll a die. How many outcomes are possible? Well, here you have five different marbles times, think about how many sides are on the die, 5 times 6 should give you 30 total outcomes. Now these can be tricky, so just really pay close attention and don't be afraid to refer back to this video. All right, this one asks you flip a coin and pick a card. How many outcomes are possible? How many outcomes can you get on with a coin? Head or tail, so 2 times how many cards? 2 times 4 should give you 8 outcomes. Okay, so very simply you multiply between the two events.